Okay, let's talk about how many projects that we can insert in Revit. For example, this is our project. If you go here or here, double click to 3D window, you can open the 3D window. As you can see, we have a different tab here. This is all sheets that I will be explaining. Don't worry. For example, this is another sheet that you can open. This is another sheet now. As you can see, it's open. You can click and drag to uh, change the order of the tab. You can open them. You can undock or dock them anywhere that you want. Okay, that's very easy. As you can see, it's very nice. So you can do anything with tab. If you go into the view tab, if you are in architecture, you can go in view, and here I want to explain these windows. Uh, any tab, for example, you can go to level 2 of your design. As you can see, we have a lots of tab. This is all for this project. Okay, as you can see, you can switch. As you can see, if you're holding your mouse here, you can see all of its project with the name that you specify in your project. Or you can switch window here. Any tab that you want, you can switch it. Nice. This is tab view. As you can see, this is tab view. Or if you want, you can use a tile view like other 3D software. Nice. You can use a tile view or you can go to the tab. So it's very easy. You can go, you can go to file and you can open another project. This button here, you can come back to home and open, for example, this project. As you can see, you can open another new project exactly in tabs here. So in this way, I don't recommend to do that because you will confuse. Because, for example, we can open another level for this software. This is level 2 of another project. You may confuse. So you can open another Revit software and do your project. Just I want to tell you this is all about, you can tabs, you can open the tabs. Another interesting tools here, it's the switch. You can, as you can see, you can better seeing that. This is close all inactive views. If you click it, as you can see, it's open just one active tab for each project that you open. This is level 2 of project number 2 that I inserted before, and this is level 12. It's open the last tab. The open, as you can see, it's an active. If you go in here, this is our active tab here. It's a highlight with a darker color. It's close all inactive views for each project. But don't forget, if you close the last tab of the project, you close that project for always. Okay, this is all about tab and nice. This is an overview for user interface. If you want, you can open and, for example, if you want to status bar, you can turn it off or on. Properties, navigation bar. That's it. It's all about user interface, which menu, which, for example, if you want to close the project browser, you can close it, and you can, if you accidentally close it, you can bring it from here. This is in project browser, this is in properties, tabs, menus. It's okay. This is very simple. You can organize your project very easy. But I recommend that you just insert one project to avoiding confusing about the project. If you want we continue these tutorials on YouTube, please subscribe us and then activate all. In this way, you will be notified about all of our new videos in future. And don't forget to join our channel. In this way, you will be help us to buy or subscribe to softwares or more softwares to record more tutorials for you and others. And don't forget to like all of our videos. And thank you for your supports.